Bossing ka ba? If you are, remember this. Everything you say and do is amplified. Kapag leader ka, hindi neutral ang behavior mo. Your words, your moods, your reactions, your decisions, even your silence affect the team. So if you want your team to be afraid, be scary. Kung gusto mong maging confident sila, speak in ways that build confidence. Kung gusto mong maging committed sila, show commitment first. Kung gusto mong malito sila, siyempre being consistent. Kung gusto mong mawalan sila ng gana, keep showing frustration, sarcasm, disappointment without guidance. Your leadership behavior will be reflected back to you. That's why emotional intelligence is not just a nice to have for leaders. It is a leadership requirement. Kasi mahirap mag-lead kapag ka puro negative ang emotion na nararamdaman ng mga tao sa presence mo. A leader with EQ knows how to pause, choose the right words, manage reactions, and create emotional climate the team needs to perform. So before you ask, bakit ganyan ang team ko, ask first, what kind of energy, attitude, and behavior am I repeatedly modeling? Because whether you like it or not, your team is learning from you. Lead with intention, lead with awareness, lead in a way that makes people stronger, not smaller.